friends. Welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for the year 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and out from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Rotarians who, virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions are the ones whom we are going to interview. And friends, these are the Rotarians whose actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. So friends, we have a very special guest today, a very dear friend, a very senior Rotarian whom I look as role model, a Rotarian since 1985, more than 35 years given to Rotary, and a senior pioneering Rotarian of Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, one of the premier Rotary clubs in District 3141. Yes, friends, he is none other than our Rotarian and our friend Yogesh Zaveri. By classification, friends, he is a life insurance advisor, awarded Service Above Self Award by Rotary International, and has done multiple 3H grants and many matching and global grants. Friends, during this COVID times, he was the foremost COVID warrior, and he has ensured meal to more than 12,000 families during this COVID times. Friends, we had developed a COVID response team with the smart governor, that is Harjeet ji, Yogesh Zaveri, myself, and Sunil Mehra, the incoming district governor, that is the district governor for 2021. But Yogesh Bhai was instrumental in organizing, in ensuring and distributing that hundreds and hundreds of people were fed. Thousands and thousands of people were fed. With this small introduction, I present to you a committed, ethical man, a man with lot of integrity, my dear friend, Rotarian Yogesh Zaveri.
Greetings of the day, Dr. Manish. It's a great pleasure to interact with you. And I bring greetings for the Vision team and specifically for our incoming governor, Sunil Mehra.
Thank you, Yogesh Bhai. Yogesh Bhai, just to let you know that आज जो आपका interview कर रहे हैं, we are going to be recording this interview, and this interview which is going to be recorded is going to be viewed by all the 102 presidents of Vision here, all the Rotarians of District 3141, all the district officials. It is going to be viewed also by non-Rotarians. It is going to go on social media also. So people are looking up to you as such a senior Rotarian, as such a seasoned Rotarian, to guide them in their way ahead. People are looking up to you to guide them through these turbulent times. And people are looking up to you for motivation and enthusiasm to be brought into them so that they can just not sail through the year, but come out with flying colors, raise their bar high. And this is the reason why we are interviewing a person like you who can help so many other people to increase their levels of expertise. So Yogesh Bhai, with your consent, shall I proceed with the questions?
Please go ahead.
योगेश भाई, before we go on to the work part of it, काम तो आपके साथ बहुत किया है, आपसे बहुत guidance ली है, आपसे बहुत सीखा है, and you have actually been a role model to us. But we have known little of you on the personal front. क्या आप अपने बारे में कुछ और हमें बताना चाहेंगे?
Manish, thank you for this opportunity. I am basically electrical engineer from 1972 batch from Mumbai University. I had my own industries in electrical domestic appliances and supplied to many corporate companies like Bajaj Electricals, Videocon, Gopi Mixers, and several other branded companies. Retiring from that after 35 years of my practice of manufacturing, I delved into the insurance, life insurance, and simultaneously in the field of education. Today, my life insurance business I have handed over to my daughter. She is trying to have Uh, Absolutely all kind of insurance as a insurance broker. I am still continuing in the field of education as a visiting faculty. Earlier, I used to go to the 7 colleges, but with the time and my age, I have reduced it to 2 colleges. So I am at present teaching into St. Xavier's College at Dhobi Talao, Metro, near Metro, and Junjunala College at Ghatkopar West. I am in the field of teaching for the management subjects for BMS students and MBA students. My forte is in the operations management, production and materials management, and productivity and quality management. Thank you.
This is really nice. You've told us a lot about your work and a lot on your personal front. I think so. There would be so many people who would like to join hands with you or get in touch with you regarding some advices they want or regarding some associations they would like to have with you. Now, coming to the most important reason why we are here today, and that is about Rotary. Yogesh bhai, you have been passionate about a subject called as de-addiction. You have done a lot of work about on de-addiction, and 2020-21 you are the district project director. That means the head of the project for the entire district for this project called as de-addiction. I would like to know, and all others would like to know, what are your plans for the year ahead, and how do you plan to reach out to hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people, thus satisfying your project and reaching your goals of de-addiction? Please.
Manish, way back in 2012, I had taken as a leader of VTT, Vocational Training Team, to Ghent University in Belgium for studying the addiction prevention program. There I learned the program of Unplug. Unplug is a school-based program for the students of 8th and 9th standard particularly, and it is a compulsory program for the schools in Europe. But in India, we brought it and trained the trainers, that is school teachers, around 150 teachers we trained through the help of Tata Institute of Social Science, who were the accompanying person with me into the Ghent University. We have converted that program into mini Unplug, and along with that, we started in the year 2015 training of the family physicians. We have trained more than 1200 physicians so far by conducting the training program for the addiction treatment. This program is in collaboration with the Mukta Charitable Foundation of Pune. Very recently, last year, I was instrumental in trying to bring past Rotary International President Kalyan Banerjee's interest into the field of addiction prevention and treatment. And fortunately, he has agreed to be now the chairman for the All India Rotary Action Group for Addiction Prevention. My mentor was Dr. Johan Martins from Belgium, who has initiated Rotary Action Group international addiction prevention at an international level, and I am a founder director there, and currently I am an executive committee member with the India chapter of the Reg AP. We are currently having in Mumbai Ghatkopar Club a global grant for training of the family physicians, and also we have collaborated with the SNDT Women's University, where we are developing a shackle-free, a particular program for all kind of addictions, that is tobacco, alcohol, hard drugs or substances, and even internet. So we will be almost ready for the vision year for trying to guide all the 102 clubs to adopt this program and trying to reach to the schools and youth in the colleges for the purpose of prevention. At the same time, we'll be trying to have a support of addiction treatment, trained physicians for counseling and helping to the already addicted people. I look forward for the grand opportunity which Sunil Mehra has given to me to make a difference into the society and ensure that the great platform of Rotary is being utilized to benefit the masses and the general society, where the addiction is a really a matter of worry. Thank you.
Yogesh bhai, a lot of transparency in your thoughts, and we have seen earlier in your previous projects that there is a lot of transparency in your actions also. You have laid down, chalked down a proper program. You've got a very strong team with you. I'm sure you with your team are going to do wonders, because if de-addiction can be carried out effectively, and if we have been able to train the trainers well, we are sowing the seeds of a healthy new generation. And if there is a healthy new generation, we know that the future of the country and future of Rotary is in safe hands. So thank you, Yogesh bhai. This was a enthralling talk. You've been very clear in your concepts. I'm sure so many presidents and so many clubs will be waiting to give you a call to know more about de-addiction and how they could participate, walk hand in hand with you in this journey for de-addiction. Yeah, I'm personally so thankful to you for accepting my invitation and coming on this forum to be one of our special guests on the WizBiz Talks. Thank you so much, Yogesh.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Manish.